With the new adds-on you can restore even very severe scratches. First step, scratches assessment. Deep or light scratches? Use the scratch-off polishers for light or medium scratches. For deeper scratches, use the abrasive pads first. Let's see the standard restoration, using scratch-off light or scratch-off dark. Shake the bottle, pour the product, and use the hand polisher tool, equipped with the Faber K pad. Move the polishing machine following a regular and uniform pattern, in flat position. Wet the surface with water, at the end of each step. The heavy restoration, only for deep scratches. Use abrasive pads first, and then the standard restoration. Many scratches can be restored using only the 400, and then the 800 abrasive pads. Don't forget to check the temperature of the surface. Be careful, do not confuse the abrasive pads. The improper use of abrasives can alter the surface permanently. After the abrasive pads, polish the surface with the standard restoration. Apply scratch-off light or scratch-off dark treatment again, until the desired result is achieved. To even out the result, finally, add water and continue buffing.